If you, like the surprising majority of singers out there, experience tongue tension while singing, especially through the passaggio area, I have another little exercise for you. What we're going to do is we're going to use the at-rest position. Now, speech-language pathologists will tell you that the at-rest position for the tongue when the mouth is closed and we're not speaking is to have the tongue body lining the roof of the mouth with the tip of the tongue behind the upper front teeth. And so we're going to use that at-rest position for vocalizing. So we're going to basically be humming with the tongue lining the roof of the mouth. Any scale pattern will do. Now, I would encourage you to breathe in through the nose, as I did there. That's going to slow things down a little bit, slow down the intake of the air. It's going to help you just kind of achieve a nice openness in the throat space behind that tongue. And then when you feel like you can get a good release and the tongue is not pulling back away from that at-rest position, then you can allow the mouth to open a little bit and the jaw to drop just a little bit, not too much, but without allowing the tongue body to pull away from the roof of the mouth. And then again, you'll vocalize from that posture. And again, if you're experiencing a lot of tongue root tension, you're going to feel that tongue wanting to retract. It's going to want to pull back, but you need to allow the tongue to remain passive, feeling like it's kind of just at rest. All right, let me know how you do with this one. As always, feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment section below, and I will do my best to respond to them. And in the meantime, please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already done so, so you'll receive notifications every time I post new videos like this one. And also, please consider liking this video. Thank you so much for watching.